So with all that said, I appreciate you guys watching, checking out SK Lifestyle. Leave your comments and questions down below. Are you guys in the market for an Arctic cooler? So if you want to get rid of hiccups, life hack, this is how you do it. Take a glass of water, tilt your head up all the way, put the glass to your lips, and just take little sips and keep gulping. So you see, I didn't really drink a lot of water. It might have been like 2 ounces. I just kept taking little sips and just gulping it. And if you do it with your head raised high and you do it for about at least half a minute, I'd say at least 45 seconds to about a minute, it usually works. See, now I don't have any hiccups. So yeah, there's another SK lifestyle hack for you. Hopefully you enjoy. If you got any other better tips to get rid of hiccups, leave those down below. I'm always interested in it. Can always be a good thing to have a few tools in your chest. You know, you never know. Maybe one day it just happens not to want to work for you. So I'll be interested. Let me know what you think. Has it worked for you? Have you tried my method? Leave those comments down below. And hey, hit that subscribe button, because there's a lot more lifestyle hacks. There's a lot of action videos, a lot of reviews. SK Lifestyle. See you guys next time.